Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am 𝐀𝐦𝐚𝐫𝐸 and this is Sportify. Of the Philippines, amidst the stunning landscapes and vibrant culture of the Bicol region, a young swimmer's dream began to take shape, hailing from the city of Naga. This remarkable athlete has become a symbol of dedication, perseverance, and passion. With each stroke in the water, he has risen to represent not only his city, but his country on the international stage. From humble beginnings, he has shattered records, set new standards, and proved that the spirit of a true champion is built from discipline and relentless effort. With numerous accolades under his belt, including MVP titles and multiple gold medals at prestigious competitions like Palarong Pambansa, Batang Pinoy, and NCAA, his story is one of relentless ambition and unwavering focus. He's now preparing for even bigger stages, representing the Philippines at the Southeast Asian Games, World Juniors Championship, and Youth Asian Championships. Good day, Sportizens! Welcome to the special Sportify episode. We're honored to welcome a young man whose journey from Naga City, Bicol region, Calabarzon, to international swimming stages is nothing short of inspiring. Please join me welcoming Albert Jose TJ Amaro II, a swimmer whose accomplishments speak volumes, but whose dedication and journey are even more remarkable. His story is one of inspiration and a reminder of what can be achieved through commitment and focus. Without further ado, let's welcome TJ Amaro. So first of all, magandang umaga, TJ.
Good morning.
So let's go back to where it all started, sa Naga City. So in the heart of Bicol, how did you grow up here and shape your early journey as a swimmer and as a person?
I shaped my kung sino ko today. Really started with discipline talaga. Kasi even nandito pa ako sa Bicol, maaga nagigising kasi morning training. So, babiyahe pa, papunta ng pool, and then after pool, may school, and then after after naman ng school, may training ulit. And then, yun, same cycle with Manila. So, kung paano shape yung sarili ko is really with discipline lang. And then, yun, discipline.
So in that sense, TJ, I would like to ask lang din, how did you gain your interest in swimming? So, did
Actually, ang funny story about kung paano ako nag-start na swimming kasi si Papa, nung nasa Palawan kami is may track oval sa taas and then swimming pool sa baba. And then pag uwi niya, after niya tumakbo, nag-ask siya if sino gusto mag-swimming. So 4 years old ako at the time, so akala ko resort. So sabi ko, sige, ako. Nagtaas pa ako, nag-raise hand pa ako, na gusto ko mag-swimming. So doon nag-start na yung swimming sa family and then sumunod na sila ate.
So in that sense, TJ, when did you realize na it is something that you're passionate about? It's something na gusto mong i-pursue?
Actually, gusto ko, nung nakapag-decide ako na gusto ko siya i-pursue nung gusto ko mag-Manila. So, ginusto ko siya late 2022, December. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-UST. And then, yun, sabi ko na, yun, kasi may naka-medal na ako sa national. First time ko mag-medal sa national. So, why not take it pa, diba? Like, why not i-push pa and then tignan kung ano yung kaya kong marating.
Wow, that's actually very fantastic. It's impressive. So earlier you mentioned that you train early mornings, you have to travel towards the pool or somewhere. So training means early mornings and missed weekends. How do you keep your focus when life outside the pool looks so tempting?
Actually, even kahit 2 years na ako sa Manila, doon talaga ako nakatira. Weekends for me is just rehab, like yung physical therapy, ganun. So, yun yung nagiging time off for myself na take a breather na, yung gagala ko ng solo, like, even kahit yung friends ko sa school, like, lumalabas sila. Like, ngayon, graduate na ako ng San Beda. May mga friends ako, may group friends ako, pero never once, even outside, kahit tumapak lang outside the school, never ako nakalabas with them. That's, kasi after school, training agad, so that's how busy I am. Na even weekends, kasi weekends, depende if may training pa kami, so no time for friends talaga. May friends ako, pero yung gala, hindi grabe talaga. Kasi, iniisip ko lang kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa akin.
I see. So actually, it's good to know that you still have your circle outside of the podium, since as an athlete, it's not easy to make friends, right? Especially with your busy schedule. So, during those rare moments, how do you usually spend time with your friends?
Weekends, how do I spend that? Like, sponty. Like, biglang, I think, kino-consider ko naman na spend time with them is yung simpleng kain, eat out, kasama na yun. That's part of the bonding na din. So, yun, simpleng kain sa labas, simpleng time zone. So, yun, yung mga ganun.
I see. So, practicing and discipline itself can be very lonely. So, were there days na you felt drained, and paano mo nakayanan na mag-push through despite yung emotions and despite yung pagkapagod?
Of course, there are days talaga na draining. It's part of life naman na madidrain ka. Like, gusto mo magpahinga, diba? So, even kahit naman hindi ka student athlete, even student ka lang, yun, ma-experience mo na talaga na-drain, na-burn out. So so yung masasabi ko lang dun is, it's okay. Take time to find yourself muna siguro, and then ginawa ko lang dun is siguro inisip ko yung goals ko, mga gusto kong marating sa buhay. And then, kasi malayo ako sa family ko. So, inisip ko lang talaga yung inspirations ko, my family, like, nandun na ako eh. So, why would I quit pa? Like, lahat, ang dami ko nang sinacrifice, why would I stop? So,
Okay, I understand that, TJ. And also, you mentioned that you've been living in Manila for 2 years, pero you grew up here in Naga in Bicol. So, what do you think is the difference between the younger version of you and the 2025 version of TJ right now?
I think, syempre, mas mature na siguro. Kasi, I've been taking care of myself for the past 2 years naman na ako yung, like, dito sa Bicol, mama cooks for us, diba? So, sa Manila, ako na yung nag-aalala anong kakainin ko, healthy ba, diba? So, yung simpleng ganun, like, yun yung nagbe-build sa akin na I really have to take care of myself kasi wala namang ibang mag-aalaga sa akin, diba? So, and then, siguro, I take things more seriously na ngayon, lalo with swimming na dati, pabunjing-bunjing lang ako. No? Before swimming, training, magbabasketball pa ako, mag-ibang sports pa ako. Pero ngayon, yung iba kong hobbies, like ginagawa ko siya during off days, competition. So, yun. And then, lahat ng negative things, hindi ko na siya dinadamdam. I stay away from negative things, away from issues, like that. So, and then if yung mga issues na ganyan, like, alam ko naman na hindi totoo, so, ba't ko papakailaman? Hindi ko kailangan pakinggan, so, kasi hindi naman totoo, diba? So,
I see. So, you mentioned din na mahirap. It's very difficult to take care of yourself, especially if you're away from your family. So, how was the first few months of adjusting, taking care of yourself, by yourself? So, kamusta yung adjustment mo? Was it difficult?
Nung first few months, really, it was difficult talaga kasi homesick. Yun yung nag-ano sa akin. Tumatawag na ako na, sabi ko ayaw ko na ganun. Kasi mahirap at first na mahirap i-balance. Yun yung time na hindi ko ma-balance yung school, yung training, and then yung other stuff talaga. So tumatawag na ako, sabi ko gusto ko na umuwi. So, and then sabi nila push lang daw, sacrifices talaga, ganun. So, yun lang yung inisip ko. And then when NCAA come, ginawa ko lang yung best ko, and then yun, nagbunga lahat. And then after that, after ng NCAA, umuwi ako, take some time off, and then balik ulit ng Manila. Same lang. So, naging mahirap siya, pero yun, nakapag-adjust, and then, yun, nakapag-graduate.
Actually, congratulations on your recent graduation. But it seems like balancing work and everything else, like you mentioned, is mahirap talaga. So balancing schoolwork, family time, and elite training is tough. So what daily habits or routines keep you on track?
Yung habit na talagang nakatulong sa akin inside and outside of the pool is yung pagsusulat, pagda-diary. Kasi siguro yung life motto ko is you're always in the process of change. So every day is magkaiba. So different outcome every day. So I try to take notes, anong nararamdaman ko today, anong nararamdaman ko tomorrow. And then sa training, syempre iba-iba yung training. So sinusulat ko din, kamusta yung training ko, kung maganda ba or bad training, ganun. So, and then pag nilolook back ko, tinitingnan ko if may progress ba, anong kailangan kong baguhin. So, yun yung habit siguro na hanggang ngayon ginagawa ko.
I see. Actually, writing is a really great way of releasing stress also. Saka, pag nagsusulat ka at kinikwento mo yung day mo, para ka lang naman may kausap,
Yes.
diba? Yeah. So I do the same thing actually. But anyways, if you could share one mantra or piece of advice about discipline and focus with aspiring swimmers, what would it be?
Ang piece of advice sa young athletes or aspiring athletes, kahit anong sports is, really it's to continue dreaming lang, na walang masama mag-dream kasi yung narating ko ngayon is dini-dream ko lang naman siya. I made sacrifices lang, so then train hard, listen sa coach. Yun yung pinaka ko is listen sa coach talaga kasi based from experience from na nakikita ko sa iba, like they want to improve pero laging kinokontra yung coach, laging may sinasabi like hindi nire-respect yung coach kasi yun yung laging kong sinasabi na respect your coach kasi hindi ka nila pinapagalitan, hindi ka nila pinapahirapan sa training kasi gusto lang nila pagtripan ikaw, diba? So they're doing that for you din naman. So yun, respect the program, and then yun, celebrate small wins. Simpleng best time, simpleng win, you need to celebrate that kasi one step is better than doing nothing, diba? So yung one step na yun is yung mas makakatulong sa'yo to achieve your main goal or main goal.
Okay. Speaking of coach, TJ, it seems like you have a really close bond with your coach. So what's one thing na your coach always tells you whenever you are going through a difficult moment in training or difficult times?
Yan nga, close kami ng coach ko. So, lagi niya sinasabi is that pag competitions or na it's all mental, na we've prepared for this, so ba't tayo takot, diba? So yun lagi niya sinasabi, it's all in the mind talaga kasi physically prepared ka, so mentally that lamang ka sa kalaban mo. So yun lang yung tinuturo niya talaga, is mental, yung paano niya kami i-pressure sa training. And then, dapat, yun, tinitraining kami, pinipressure kami sa training para paglaban. Do your best lang, and then, kahit anong outcome, proud sila sa'yo.
So thank you so much, TJ, for sharing your incredible journey with us. Your story is a true inspiration, not just for aspiring athletes, but for all of us who believe in the power of hard work and dedication. You've shown that the spirit of a champion is rooted in discipline and strong sense of purpose. And you've made the Bicol region very proud with every stroke. So when we return, we'll take a closer look at TJ's impressive achievements, from his record-breaking feats to his international success, and how he continues to put Bicol on the map in the swimming world. Stay with us only here on Sportify.
We invest in shaping the future of healthcare. Our investment in the state-of-the-art facilities and the latest equipment means our students gain hands-on experience with the current technology driving the healthcare industry forward. From immersive laboratories to AI-powered patient model simulators to innovative learning environments, our graduates are prepared to meet the challenges of modern healthcare. The Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, your premier leap to becoming a champion of healthcare.
And we're back. back, Sportizens! A special thank you to Stay Focused Co-working Space Naga, located at Rec Centro ng Kaaraman, Bagumbayan Sur, for providing us with this affordable, vibrant, and inspiring venue. If you are looking for a place to stay productive, focus on your goals, and be part of a vibrant community, visit Stay Focused Co-working Space Naga. This space offers affordable and ideal for students and professionals alike. Whether you're studying, working on a project, or looking for a collaborative environment, Stay Focused is the place for you. Come visit and experience the energy your work deserves. Now, let's get back. We've just heard an inspiring story of dedication, discipline, and passion from a true champion. TJ Amaro's journey from Naga City, Bicol Region, Calabarzon, to the international swimming stage is nothing short of remarkable. His impressive achievements, from breaking records to earning multiple medals, show that hard work really does pay off. Now, let's dive deeper into his accomplishments and see how this Bicolano swimmer continues to make waves on the world stage. So let's get back with our interview, TJ. So I have here my question. So you've set numerous records and won various prestigious titles. Which one stands out to you the most?
Ano ba? I think pinaka-special is yung ASG Vietnam and then yung NCAA 100. Kasi yung sa ASG is yun yung only medal for the Philippines sa swimming. So very happy about that kasi hindi ko rin siya ina-expect actually. And then sa NCAA, yun yung pressure talaga kasi captain ng high school boys, and then nawala sa amin yung championship nung season 99. So yung pressure sa akin, grabe talaga. So, pero na-overcome ko, and then yun, na all medal and all records.
Actually, that's fantastic. But let's go back to your first competition. Do you remember it? So, kamusta yung naging experience mo nung first time mong mag-compete sa swimming?
Way back 5 years old ata or 6 years old. Actually, yung first medal ko ata doon is bronze, tapos 50 breaststroke. It's funny nga kasi first medal ko, breaststroke. Tapos ngayon, weakest ko yung breaststroke. So, yun, parang yun, breaststroke. Ngayon, nahihirapan ako sa breaststroke. Pero kaya naman, pero hindi ko siya ma-perfect talaga.
So, naalala mo ba yung emotions mo or yung nararamdaman mo during that time? Since 5 years old, competing in a swimming competition, that's not a joke actually.
Actually, hindi na. Kasi 14 years na ako lumalangoy. So, yun. Pag naglo-look back ako sa mga pictures ko, grabe, sabi ko, kinakaya ko pa 14 years na ako lumalangoy. Everyday training, hindi ako sumusuko.
Okay. Well, let's get back to your achievements, TJ. So how did it feel to be recognized as the MVP or most outstanding swimmer in competitions like the Palarong Pambansa and Batang Pinoy?
Yung sa Palarong Pambansa, very happy ako nun kasi may mga malalakas talaga yung ibang from different regions. So, lalo yung sa 100 butterfly and then 200 freestyle. Dun sa dalawang event, hindi ako yung favorite to win. So, talagang yung sa 100 fly, nauna lang ako ng 1 pull. And then sa 200 freestyle, nanalo ako by 0.1 millisecond. So, touching lang talaga. So, yun, after nun, very happy. And then, happy.
Kasi sometimes, dinidisregard ng ibang tao yung onting seconds lang na delay or advance. Pero actually, it's a big thing pagdating sa sports mo. Right?
So, swimming talaga, like, 0.1 is so big kasi maraming factor sa swimming. Like, simpleng dive na magkamali ka, that's dagdag sa time, di ba? So, lalo sa akin, sprinter. So, everything needs to be perfect. Lalo sa dive pa lang, entry sa water, that breakout. So, talagang lahat dapat perfect. So, yung point 1 na yun, parang yun yung representation na you work harder sa kalaban mo. Yung simpleng point 5, ganun. Yun, parang pinapakita mo na mas naghihirap ka. Which is yun yung tinuturo sa amin na mas naghihirap tayo, so mas mananalo tayo.
Okay, the drive for victory.
Yes.
Right. Anyways, so you're set to represent the Philippines in major international events like the C Age Group Championship and the World Juniors Championship. So what are your goals for these upcoming competitions, TJ?
Actually, tatlo sila. CH is this June sa Singapore, and then World Junior Championships is August sa Romania, and then Asian Youth Games sa October sa Bahrain naman. So right now I'm just enjoying myself. 1 week break. I'm just enjoying yung break ko ngayon kasi once na bumalik ako sa Manila, next week, once na bumalik ako, magti-training na ulit, hard training, magpe-prepare for this games, lalo na this summer kasi yun, walang pasok, so aasahan na mas mahirap yung training, mas maraming trainings.
Grabe. So the pressure must be very hard on you, TJ. But you're very strong kasi you're able to handle it. But breaking records is an incredible achievement already. Well, how do you handle the pressure of being at the top? So ano yung mindset mo when you're preparing for a big event?
My mindset talaga na tinuro sa akin ng coach ko is if pupunta tayo sa competition, hindi tayo yung champion. Like, pupunta tayo sa competition, competitor tayo. Like, hindi natin bibit-bitin na malakas tayo or what. Kasi, hindi pa tayo nag-race. So, hindi pa tayo nag-race or anything. Hindi pa tayo lumalaban. So, ba't tayo magde-declare? So, once na matapos yung race, dun magsabi ng malakas or what. Dun mag-celebrate. Kasi, may iba kasi na pinapanguna na malakas sila, and then pag dumating yung laban matatalo, so ma-frustrate. So yun din yung iniiwasan na yung expectations na baka ma-frustrate tayo na may mga next event tayo, matalo tayo this event, and may next event pa tayo, nag-expect tayo manalo, so baka ma-down tayo, masira yung moral, masira yung training na pinaghirapan. So yun yung iniiwasan na one at a time, kumbaga, na think about this event muna, and then after this event, rest up, recover, and then isipin naman yung next event. One step at a time. Yun.
Okay, so you've joined several competitions already at the age of 18. So what would you say is the most difficult one na na-face mo so far?
I think yung World Cup, of course. Kasi yung World Cup, hindi siya yung ordinary na international competition. Yung World Cup is, kumbaga, best in the world, open category. Kahit anong age yan, malalakas. So, yun yung pinakamalaki and pinakamahirap na competition na nalabanan ko kasi Olympic champions, world champions, nakalaban ko. So, like, ibang lahi sila. So, like, starstruck ako. Tumitingala ako sa kanila kasi ang lalaki nila. So, yung para sa akin parang ang laki ng competition, tapos parang sa kanila, sanay na sanay sila. So, yun I think yung kulang pa na yung ilabas yung mga Filipino athletes. So, yung kailangan sila ilaban talaga sa ibang bansa para masanay, ganun. Kasi yun, dun palang talo agad na kulang sa laban.
Yes, I understand. And speaking of these world champions, do you have any Olympians that you look up to?
Number one is Phelps. Household name si Michael Phelps naman. So, si Michael Phelps, yung idol ko sa simula dati. Pero, nung nag-start ako mag-focus sa swimming, dumating si 𝐀𝐦𝐚𝐫𝐨, David Popovich. Yun yung naging idol ko talaga. Na ginaya ko yung swimming ko. Like, the stroke. Kung paano sila lumangoy, nagaya ko. And then, ngayon, like, nadadala ko siya sa competition. So, marami na yung gumagawa din na training nila. So, yun yung maganda talaga. Kailangan ma-expose yung Filipino athletes sa ibang bansa.
Okay. Well, now reflecting on your experiences from NCAA victories to international competitions, how have those accomplishments shaped who you are today, both as an athlete and as an individual?
Actually, same pa rin naman na kasi yun yung sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Don na wag mag-hydrocephalus. Like, wag daw lalaki yung ulo. Like, stay on the ground na. Yun pa rin naman yung binibit-bit ko na hanggang ngayon kasi kahit naman manalo ka, yeah, you're a champion pero at the same time, you're the same na dapat hindi ka magbago. Yeah, it's okay to brag kasi may pinatunayan ka pero hindi yung nakakasira ka ng ibang tao. So, yun yung siguro na biggest misinterpret sa akin na kasi yun nga, na mahihain ako. So, parang nasasabi na iniiwasan ko ganun. Pero, yun, ako kasi parang I like to be alone talaga. Like, yung peace, yung tahimik. Kasi hindi ako nakaka-focus pag maingay. So, I try, may mga nakakasama ako pero if kaya kong maging, like, mapag-isa ako, I take that moment para mapag-isa, think about myself, and then, if mag-isa lang naman ako, ang ginagawa ko lang is I watch my swim videos. And then, I try to figure out saan ako nagkamali, saan ko kailangan mag-improve pa, anong iti-training ko pa. So,
Yes, I understand. Kasi sometimes when a person is, when they feel comfortable about being alone, it's mostly misinterpreted by other people. But it's really just a process of self-reflection, right, TJ? But anyways, looking ahead, what are some long-term goals you hope to achieve in your swimming career? And how do you see yourself growing from where you are right now?
Ang long-term goal ko talaga is, syempre, Olympics. Yun yung main goal ko. But ako nagko-continue pa mag-swimming. And then, this year, na sana maka-qualify ako for SEA Games sa December. Tryouts is August. And then, SEA Games is in December. So, yun, isa yun sa bucket list ko this year na sana makasama ako. Kasi SEA Games is like Olympics na sa atin. So, winning gold or winning any medal doon is like malaki ng bagay sa atin. And then, lalo na yung Olympics, maging Olympian lang is more than enough. And then, yung medal is a bonus. So, even ngayon, ang iniisip ko talaga is yung Olympics. Alam ng dorm mates ko na, like, kasi bunk beds kami. So, sa taas ng bed ko, kasi may bunk sa taas ko, may mga bond papers. Like yung goals ko, goal times, nakalagay doon, mag-Olympics tayo, TJ, mag-SEA Games tayo, TJ, yung mga ganun. So, yung para pag matutulog ako, ang huli ko makikita yung goals ko. And then pagising ko, una ko makikita yung goals ko. Kasi yun nga, yung parang sinasabi nila, bumabangon ako para sa sarili ko, bumabangon ako sa goals ko. So, yung parang, kasi pag isipin mo, pag gising mo, magaganahan ka agad kasi iniisip mo yung goals mo, gusto mo marating.
I see. So, napaka-goal-oriented talaga ni TJ over here. And by the way, we're actually all curious here kung bakit TJ yung nickname mo when your name is Jose, right? Albert Jose. So, where did the nickname TJ come from?
Actually, hindi ko alam. Silang mami lang yung tumatawag sa akin ng TJ. Ang nickname ko lang naman is TJ or Jaja.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam ba't TJ. Pero ang sinasabi ko sa tao, pag tinatanong nila sa akin, sabi ko yung huli ng Albert. So, T. And then, Jose. Yun na yung sinasabi ko. Sabi ko, ba't sinasabi nila, ba't hindi AJ? Hindi ko alam. Silang mami tumatawag sa akin. So, TJ na lang.
Oh, yes, I understand. But anyways, TJ, for all the athletes out there watching today, what advice would you give to them about staying disciplined, staying focused, and overcoming challenges, both in sports and in their studies? And to all the viewers, also, what's your message?
My message to all the athletes, swimmers, or any sports. Number 1 is discipline. Second is respect. And then, yun, kasi number 1 talaga is discipline. You need to discipline yourselves na pag-training lang, and then pag school. Simpleng pagkain, dapat discipline ka na iwasan yung Coke. Lalo sa amin swimmers, bawal yung ma-sugar na pagkain. So, nililesen namin yung sugar intake namin. And then, we just have to stay disciplined. And then, number 2 is respect sa mas nakakatanda sa atin, sa teammates natin. Even if mas bata sila sa atin, we need to respect them. Lalo yung coach, we need to respect the program. We need to respect them as a person and as a coach na magtulungan, kumbaga, kasi nandyan sila para tulungan ka. So, help them na tulungan mo yung sarili mo na to grow sa swimming and then as a person. And then, so, sa mga taong makakanood na to, and I hope na you continue to support me and then other athletes. Kasi we don't know, baka may biglang lumabas na malakas. So, we need to support lahat talaga na athletes kasi lahat naman may potential. We all have talents. Ang kailangan lang talaga ng lahat ng athlete is support. So, and then sa akin, sa future competition, sana po tuloy niyo ako supportahan. Pray for me, sana po. And then, yun, support lang talaga.
Okay, how about a message to your family?
I want to thank, syempre, una, grandparents ko. Mama La, Lolo Ping, Lolo Ding, Lolo Roy, and then Mommy Tess, and then my parents, Papa, Mama, and then my siblings, my uncles and titas, aunties, Metro Swim family, San Beda family, and then teammates ko, Ninong Robert. Yun, thank you for your never-ending support, and then sana patuloy niyo ako supportahan sa future ko, no matter my decision, sana patuloy niyo ako supportahan and guide me po to a better future.
Okay, that's fantastic. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
TJ. Thank you for joining us, Sportizens. Today we learned from TJ Amaro that success is built on unwavering discipline, relentless focus, and deep roots in the community. His journey from Nagas pools to international podiums shows us that no dream is too big when you combine passion with purpose. Remember, every early morning lap, every sacrifice, and every moment of doubt can lead to breaking records and making your region proud. To our young athletes out there, take TJ's story as proof that hard work transcends limits. Keep chasing your goals, stay humble, and trust the process. From all of us here, thank you so much, TJ, for inspiring a nation and a region to dive deeper into their own potential. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep making waves. Thank you, Sportizens. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, GNTV-Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and Oragod Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Keep pushing limits and keep chasing greatness. I am 𝐀𝐦𝐚𝐫𝐨 Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.